Hello, my name is Roland and I want to welcome you to YoucanTube. At YoucanTube I'm going to teach you a lot of different things about creating YouTube channel, videos, all sorts of things. This is going to be tutorials for beginners to medium, novice, and I'm going to teach you guys a lot of different things that I've learned over the years. Now, I don't claim to be a professional at anything. There's a lot of channels out there that will teach you everything you need to know, but I'm going to try and simplify it for everybody. Now, to show you how unprofessional I am, I wrote down some words that I want to say here and tell you what my channel is about. So I created this channel in hopes of helping people that want to create their own YouTube channel. So many people are not sure how to start a YouTube channel or videos. I will share tutorials on how to do this and much more information like video editing, video production, how to create video thumbnails, how to create images, SEO, which is search engine optimization. That's the use of keywords in your videos and your channel, words that people search online, and hopefully if you pick the right keywords, they will find your channel and your videos. Because you're making videos for people to see your videos, right? You want them to find it. So help you make your videos searchable. And channels on social media sites as well as promoting offline. I'm going to show you things like what cameras I use. I was using a different camera before. Now I'm just using my cell phone. It's working for me. It does the job. And other tools such as tripods. Oh, I got some tricks. I'll show you. Anyways, I'll even show you how to use your laptop, about like you're using your keyboard for shortcuts, you know, so you don't have to always right click, left click, right click. You can use the key buttons on your laptop or your computer. Now, the reason I'm doing this too is I was making how-to videos for these topics exactly, and I was adding them to my current YouTube channel, which is Getting It Done North of 7. If you want, you can go over there and hit the subscribe button if you like the content that I have on that channel. It's a lot different than this. But anyways, I was making YouTube videos, tutorials about this topic, how to YouTube. And I was uploading it to that channel, but it's not very relevant to what my channel is about. So I thought, you know, I was accumulating quite a bit of videos, so I thought, why don't I just create a separate YouTube channel? That way I can just put all these tutorials on one channel and keep the topic of this channel relevant, all one niche. So again, if you're looking for tutorials on how to YouTube, create videos, and all that sort of thing, you're in the right place. Just look down below, hit the subscribe button, and then you can look under the tab of my videos and you can see what videos I have. Like I'm just getting started with this, so there won't be a lot of videos yet, but check under the videos tab. There's also the playlist tab. That will be where all my videos are categorized in topic. It might be easier for you to find what you're looking for in there. Again, thank you for listening, and I hope you join us on this journey of YouTube, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care.